Hello, my name is Caitlin Nguyen, and I'm doing a genetic disorder project on phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria, also known as PKU, is a rare inherited metabolic disorder that results in the absence of an enzyme that breaks down phenylalanine. Over time, this can cause dangerously high concentrations of PHE in the body. This accumulation can lead to major health issues if untreated early. Phenylalanine is an amino acid found in a variety of plants and animals. It can be found in foods rich in protein, such as eggs, meat, milk, and nuts, sometimes also found in artificial sugars. Tyrosine is an amino acid that makes hormones, neurotransmitters, and melanin. Phenylalanine hydroxylase enzymes are enzymes that are absent in PKU patients. For example, phenylalanine hydroxylase is present in normal patients. They can break down phenylalanine and make it into tyrosine. In PKU patients, they're missing this enzyme. Phenylalanine then gets built up and can lead to health issues. This is caused by a genetic mutation on chromosome 12 on the PAH gene. It leads to a deficiency of phenylalanine hydroxylase enzymes. The gene is inherited and is autosomal recessive, in which both parents must be heterozygous or one parent is homozygous while the other parent is heterozygous, with a recessive trait to pass it on to their offspring. Uppercase P is going to be representing normal traits, and lowercase p is going to be representing PKU traits. In this Punnett square, both parents are carriers, which means that 25% offspring would be completely normal, which is the two uppercase P's. 50% would be carriers for PKU, which is the uppercase P and lowercase p. They're going to be considered normal, but they would still be carriers like their parents. And 25% of their offspring would have PKU. Some symptoms and effects of PKU are tremors/shaking, and eczema, dry skin rashes, slow, stunted growth, behavioral, mental, social problems, hyperactive, severe mental disabilities, lack of pigmentation, foul odor, breath, and urine. About 1 out of 15,000 patients in the U.S. are diagnosed with PKU every year, common in Northern European and Native American heritages. Most common in Turkey, with 1 out of 2,600 people having PKU. Least common in Japan, with nearly lower than 1 in 200,000 people having PKU. There's no cure, but treatments are special dieting or formulas. Special dieting requires lots of discipline and planning and can be very expensive. This can have a toll on the child with not having the variety and having the mental health of watching others having more variety than them. PKU does not decrease life expectancy, even with or without treatment. Many PKU patients can live an active and healthy life with treatment. PKU occurs equally in male and females. In rare occurrences, PKU has developed during adulthood. Infants at birth are usually blood tested in all 50 states for PKU and other diseases before leaving the hospital. They take the blood sample on the heel of the foot. Breastfeeding is encouraged. This goes along with formulas and how synthetic formulas that are made by scientists, it's not as efficient and effective compared to breastfeeding. Breastfeeding has lower contents of the phenylalanine, which is supposedly better for the infants. In this photo, this is a girl that have treatment for PKU, and this is a boy that has not had treatment for PKU. They're both fine, but he has the severe mental disabilities still. This is my works cited page. and continue.